Yan Happy Father's Day, June 15, 2025. Araw ng Sunday. Meron tayong seafood, kalderetang baka, tsaka chicken, adobo. Yan, mini yote and tilapia. Meron tayong ice cream. Meron tayong ikan na San Miguel tsaka Red Horse. Ayan yung ating taga-inom mo. Kasi ayan, si paring Jason, si paring Jerome. Kasi Mrs. nag-ano ng milon. Okay?
Tayo mo yung kanta ni Ryan.
Oo. Check natin dito. Swimming tayo. Yan swimming tayo. Crossing ng Riverview, Calamba, Laguna. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tao.
Mabatid mo sige. Boss Jason!
Hindi ko na itong vlog po sa grupo namin sa Calamba Princess po.
Wow! Ayan, welcome to Riverview Resort po and Happy Father's Day. Sabi ko, Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day po sa lahat.
Yun, naman, ang bait mo naman, Ryan. Si Ryan naman, kakaiba naman ang kanyang kakantahin ngayon, no? Ano itong Under the Sea? No, may pagka-anime ka.
First time lang.
Okay lang yan, ganyan din naman yung first time. Okay, to sing Scorpion Under the Sun, here's Ryan!
Mamaya pa siguro.
Nayahin mo ako. Yung tapos din yung sa pasunod ko sa amin.
Yun!
He is green, so we'll fall, no one plans. That's all the matter, so let's pray for time. Bring it back, you live, do it real time. Do you ever what you want, to have it in the sky? You carry, got it, try.
Yun!
The God's way, leave all the same side. We are, with all the same, oh yeah. The way, when you leave this one. That's all the living, with a shadow on the one. You got to love, you got to exactly what that's. That's all the children that are treated outside. How do we, how the right time? Will you ever ask yourself to have it in the sky? You can't stop the because we're on the same side. We are the same, oh yeah. The right, when you leave this world.
Sakari, let's go Sakari.
Sometimes looking at the man, we look for all we have. We know we're still together. We know, but you, my got to change. We got to make a way. I'm bringing up some love. Ito sa ating ragon, tapos ko, kaya nagbibigyo ko. Bago ka na naman lumayan yan, tapos ko. Doesn't really matter what's happening on the ground.
Nakaraso.
Sa patawa ka na
Oh, habol, habol, habol.
Ito ba parang nakana? Ano mo pa iyan? Grabe. Ang ganda ng boses. Laking style, lalaki. At syempre, shout out naman sa'yo. At pinasya shout out at binabati ka ng Happy Father's Day.